Hydravent is a hydraulic ventilation and suppression tool developed by firefighters for firefighters. It's meant to be put directly into the fire room from the outside and left unmanned for the rest of the fire. Once in place, fog stream ventilation ventilates thousands of cubic feet per minute out, helping to control your flow path out through the fire room, which is exactly where you want it to go, while simultaneously spraying water back in to soften the fire. Both of these in conjunction will make it more tenable for firefighters and victims. It has a fog stream facing out for ventilation and a series of straight streams that go in and off the ceiling to cool the room. For this test burn, we used 2 cargo containers in the shape of an L. We had a window on the right, the burn room, and 2 man doors. The window is the ventilation opening. The man doors are the entry point for firefighters where they would make their attack. Your fire load for this burn consisted of 4 pieces, 7/16 OSB, 4 pallets, and a full-size couch. We have an overhead view, a drone view, of this next burn. 3 things of importance to watch here: the amount of smoke being pulled out by Hydravent, the color of the smoke going from dark to light, signifying suppression. And if you look lower left, the man doors were left open. That's the amount of smoke we would initially, before Hydravent was put in, be facing. Once it's put in, you can see the thousands of cubic feet per minute it pulls out, pulling your flow path out through the fire room and pulling fresh air in through the man door, while simultaneously cooling, softening the fire for us, keeping it from flashing, making it safer for firefighters and victims. Same burn, 4 camera angles. We have 2 set up at the door view, a thermal imaging camera and a GoPro looking in through the fire room. We have 1 on the Hydravent exterior showing what it does, and 1 on our thermocouples, which were set at 3 feet and 6 feet in the fire room. Temperatures at 6 feet from the floor for this burn reach better than 1300 degrees. If you look at the tick view lower left, you can see significant rollover coming out of the containers towards us. Once Hydravent is put in place, you can see that rollover. That fire in the smoke has been shut down almost instantaneously. If you look at the timer and the temperature gauge, you can see the temperature is dropping significantly. If you look at the color of the smoke, upper left has changed from black to almost white, showing how much water we're putting in the room and how much of the softening of the fire we're actually doing. If you think about tactically what we've done now, we've controlled our flow path out through the fire room. We bought ourselves and any victims inside there a little bit of time, given them a cooler atmosphere, and now we come around and we make our access. Once we make our access, you can see that the smoke has cleared significantly. Temperatures have dropped at the 1 minute mark almost 500 degrees, and the smoke conditions have cleared dramatically. So in conclusion, if you look at what we've done, we put water in onto the fire, suppressing it, cooling it, while simultaneously venting out through the fire room, controlling our flow path, making it safer for firefighters, ourselves, and victims, making our job a little safer. Thank you for watching.